Good day. This is an invitation to know more about God, about us, and of course, about the salvation. It is an invitation and let us more understand and delve more about the essential of the gospel. Romans chapter 1, verse 16 to 17. I am not ashamed of the gospel because it is the power of God for salvation of everyone who believes, first for the Jew, then for the Gentiles. For in the gospel, righteousness from God is revealed, a righteousness that is by faith from first to last, just as it is written, the righteous will live by faith. What the gospel really is. The word gospel, as many well know, means good news or glad tidings. It comes from the Old English gospel from God means good and spell means story. In Greek, the word evangel, from which we get the word evangelism, and evangelist, the messenger of the good news. The word actually shows up quite early in the Jewish scriptures. In Hebrew, the word for good tidings or gospel is besara, and the bringer of the message is mebaser. According to scholar Andrew J. Spalek, implicit in the word is the concept specifically good news. Why? It was originally connected to messenger bringing word in battle. It had the connotation of victory. Spalek explained that since the message came to be associated with the battlefield and news of victory, every messengers from battle came, by extension, to be called a mabaser. This is the same word as evangelist in Greek. Still, on side's victory is the other side's loss. Good news for one person can be bad news for another. So, it is with the gospel. The victory of God triumphing over the grave was bad news for Satan. After disarming the principalities and powers, he made a public spectacle of them, triumphing over them in the cross. Colossians chapter 2, verse 15. The gospel is the news from the battlefield. Jesus has conquered. Sin and death have been vanquished. Forgiveness and freedom are ours. The way back to the Father has been reopened. That's the best news there is, and we are the messengers who have been sent to declare it. The essence of the gospel is God's offer of a transfer of spiritual position and destiny based on faith in Jesus. We can be transferred from the kingdom of darkness into the kingdom of Son he loves.